Hey guys! In the last Java operator session, we looked into assign and arithmetic operators. As part of the continuation of Java operators, in today's video, we will look into relational and conditional operators. Now, let's look at relational operators. To understand relational operators in a better way, I have assigned values for three primitive variables. Int I is equal to 37, int j is equal to 42, int k is equal to 42, meaning that j and k have the same value. Now, let's look at the first relational operator, which is greater than. Here, the value for I greater than j will be computed first. Then it is concatenated with this string. In this case, the value will be false because 37 is not greater than 42. Likewise, the values for these computations will be printed. Now, let's move on to the next relational operator, which is greater than or equal to. In this case, the last statement will be printed true because it's asking greater than or equal to. And you can observe that k is equal to j because both of them have the same value of 42. In less than, you can see that I've already written the answer, but it's just an inline comment and it won't be compiled. In less than or equal to, the last statement is true because again, it's asking less than or equal to, and again, k and j have the same value. Equal to. Equal to is represented using 2 equal to sign, and in this case, only k and j have the same values, which is 42. Therefore, it will be printing true. Not equal to is completely opposite of equal to. In this case, I is not equal to j because I has a value of 37 and j has a value of 42. Therefore, it will be printing true. Now, let me run this program so we can verify few answers. In greater than, I greater than j is false because I has a value of 37 and j has a value of 42. K greater than j is false because both of them have the same value. Less than, I less than j is true because I has a value of 37 which is less than 42. I is not equal to j. It's true because I has a value of 37 and j has a value of 42. Hence, I is not equal to j. Finally, we reach the last type of operators, conditional operators. Let's have a look at that. Relational operators are often used with conditional operators to construct more complex decision-making expressions. In this test conditional operators program, you will understand the usage of conditional operators in Java. To explore conditional operators, I have assigned values for three primitive variables by writing int I is equal to 37, int j is equal to 42, and int k is equal to 57. Now, let's look at the first conditional operator, which is AND. Here, I have used the if block, and within that if block, I have written two relational operators. In order for this if block to be executed, both of these relational operators must be true. In this case, the second relational operator fails. Therefore, the if block is not executed. Here, you can see that the first relational operator fails and it won't even compare the second one. The most efficient way to write a Java program for AND is to write the most failure case first. Now, let's look at the second conditional operator, which is OR. In this case, the first relational operator is successful and it won't even compare the second one. An efficient way to write a Java program for OR is to write the most successful case first. Here, the first relational operator is false, but the second relational operator is true. Therefore, the condition is true and the if block is executed. In this case, it is executed as k is greater than j. In case both of these conditions fail, the if block is not executed, as you can see here. Now, let me run this program to see the answers. You can see that only the if blocks that are true are printed, while the others are not. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till we meet again, see ya!